Kia ora te whānau. Welcome to the Starting in Te Reo Māori YouTube channel. My name is Grant Whitbourne. I'm here to help you get started on your journey into Te Reo Māori. Now, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button down below. I've got tons of new videos coming your way, and there's a little bell button in there as well. So please hit that. That'll give you every single reminder every time I upload a new video. Now, today, I wanted to share with you some feedback and some testimonials we've had from our first ever 30-day Te Reo Māori bootcamp, which has just finished. Now, I'm just going to run through some screenshots. It's just a bit of feedback we've had through the Facebook group. I thought I'd just run through the feedback and give a bit of commentary on it as well, so you can see, I guess, what people have got out of the course. So I'll jump across here. Share my screen. So Rose Carter Smith, Morena Grant, thank you for giving me the opportunity to learn Te Reo. Although I have a long way to go, I'm eager to continue this beautiful journey of learning. This tonga has enriched our lives, and like I said before, it's filled the hole that was empty in my heart. I feel empowered by your teachings, Grant, and by the awhia of our Ropu, Jules, Morgan, Sai, and Hone. Couldn't do it without these beautiful people. Thank you, Grant. Thank you for everyone. I'm ready to hold my head up. For me, this is just the beginning. Now, what she's talking about there with her group there with Jules and Morgan and Sai and Hone, we had these accountability groups, and we basically got little groups of students together, and they were bouncing off each other and having conversations with each other and really supporting each other along the way. There were these little accountability groups, and it was probably the best thing I think that people got out of the group. That, besides actually learning what they learned in Te Reo Māori, it was these new connections that they made with new people online and new friends. And one day they'll catch up with each other in real life, and I think they've just really forged some lifelong friendships. So that's been a huge benefit of the course. Or one of the huge benefits of the course. Olivia Morena Grant from Broome, WA, your amazing knowledge and dignity and encouragement will be forever in our lives. With much love, we'll put a smile on our faces whenever we reflect on our last month. Your family will be our family. I'm still back on day 18, but that's okay because your tools have given me the confidence and my inspiration will let me continue this journey for my wonderful ladies here in Perth. Come to Perth and you have family. Very sweet message from Olivia. Like she said, she's back on day 18. So every day we had lessons, we had activities, we had homework. So it actually got quite intense. There were some people that really kept up with it well. There were others that fell a bit behind, but that's okay. We were just perpetually moving through the journey. And Olivia's done really well. And she's with a group of ladies there. Again, the accountability group has just been awesome for them. From Marianne, my journey of learning Te Reo has no end. That's definitely true. It's just a starting point for me. This bootcamp course is a name when you endure, commit, and stay focused with my struggles, which I might add has been lacking over many years with me. So thank you for that, Grant. I won't be going anywhere just yet. Once again, kia ora, rawa atu. More beautiful words there from Marianne. And that's again, this is a thing that's shared by a lot of people. They get started and they fall off, and the idea of the course was really just to get people started, really put a boot up their bum and really get them launching hard into that first 30 days, get them from here to up here. And then once they're there, then they've got all the tools, they've got the platform, they've done all the groundwork to really continue on that journey. Tanya, kia ora, Grant and whānau. Well, I was keeping up until the last week, slipped behind, as did my Ropu, but all good. We have agreed to keep in contact and push and help each other along. Awesome. I nearly didn't join this bootcamp because of the huge fear of live posting, worrying about how I would keep up with others if they knew more than me. I'm so glad I did. It's been the kickstart I needed and got me into a routine at home, dedicating time to it and adding it into my daily words instructions with the kids. I've enjoyed reading and listening to others here on our Reo Bootcamp. Thank you so much. Live posting. That was another really big thing in the group. People can become so scared of actually just starting and doing something. So we did a bunch of exercises around just going live, and it wasn't always going live trying to speak Te Reo Māori. It was just overcoming that fear, helping people overcome that fear of being on camera, being live in front of people, having friends and family looking at them, gawking at them, and just getting past that fear and being able to talk properly and openly. It worked really well. No one got any bad feedback, not one bit of bad feedback. Everyone was so scared to do it at the start, but they did it, and people were just absolutely blown away by the support they got from each other. And all it took was just that one little decision, that one little step to just do it. Judy, I missed receiving today's lessons this morning. This was the day after we finished last Thursday. It's the first thing I wake up to every day. This is not the end of it at all. It's just the beginning. I just wanted to thank you for this precious time that you've given us. It was my first Te Reo experience. It's been amazing. Now I look forward to studying and implementing all that you've given us over the last 30 days. I'm also grateful for the new people I've connected with because of this course. I really want to continue on this journey with everyone. Thank you, Grant. I look forward to more. Again, just, the connectedness and the friendships that were built on this during this course are just amazing, really amazing. Hemi, thank you for sharing this beautiful taonga. You took me on. I now have a better understanding on sentence structures and the importance of this. It will always confuse me not understanding why reading Te Reo Māori sentences to me were back to front. Your professional approach in all facets of you running this course has certainly cleared a lot of doubts, issues hanging over me. While this is still fresh in my mind, over the next 30 days, I'll take time to review, revise your taonga you gifted me. All of my life, I've been thinking my tinana is Māori, my reo is Pākehā. You've now given me the opportunity to fix for when I get to meet our maker at the pearly gates. We will be able to kōrero Māori with each other. Thank you for this beautiful taonga and journey, and I definitely will be in your next lessons of Te Reo. God bless you and your family. Hemi, another really committed guy in the course, one of the more active people in the course. So it was a blast just working with Hemi over the last month. And yeah, he just did so well. So that's all of them. That's probably enough for me to share right now. How do I stop share? There we go. So that's it. Yeah, I just wanted to share those few comments, 6 comments from people, just to give you a bit of feedback if you've ever thought about, if you thought about signing up to the last one but didn't. There's another one coming up in January, which you'll hear about a lot more about coming over the next few weeks. So that just gives you a bit more of an idea of what people actually got out of it. So if you're interested, keep an eye out. There'll be a link down in the comments below where you can click and you can get instant access to it. I guess priority access before it actually gets released out to the public. But yeah, if you're interested, if you're keen, if you want to check it out, definitely click on that link, drop me your email, and I can stay in touch that way. Until then, stay strong with your te reo, and we'll talk soon.